Hello and welcome inside. In this lesson, I want to explain the process of affiliate marketing. It starts off with product owners. These are the owners of online info products, online tools, plugins, hosting services, loan providers, as well as physical products like TVs, laptops, and so on. These product owners, they want to get more sales. One of their key strategies is to use affiliates. They want affiliates to send traffic to their offers, and if the offer converts into a sale, they will pay the affiliate a certain commission. This commission can range anywhere from 5% to say 80% of the price. Sometimes the commission can even be ongoing for the life of the customer. For example, when the product offers a monthly membership fee, this means that you will get paid every month as long as the customer keeps paying this fee. The benefit of using affiliates for product owners is that they get more sales. And this approach works for them because they only pay affiliates once a conversion takes place. So in a way, if there is no sales, then product owners or vendors do not lose any money. Next, we have affiliates, and affiliates are the people who promote the offers. These are people who generate traffic and direct it to the vendor's products. The benefits of being an affiliate are that you do not need your own product to get started with online marketing. There is also no customer support function. So once a person buys a product that you recommend, all the responsibility to take care of the customer regarding the product comes to the product owner or vendor. And there is another benefit because there are many valuable offers that you can promote and get a big commission for sales. And when you get good at generating traffic, you can promote any offer that you like. Now, how does clickbank work and fit into this equation? Clickbank is an affiliate network. It is basically a marketplace in which product owners, known as vendors, can list their products and offers in clickbank. Affiliates can then find these products and choose to promote them. In essence, clickbank is a middleman. They have a good marketplace with offers. They offer tracking of all of the clicks and attribute the clicks to the right affiliate. I will talk more on clicks in the next section. Clickbank also has a safe payment system in place. It is basically a good quality affiliate network that makes the connection between product owners and affiliates very easy. In clickbank, product owners are known as vendors. When you log into your clickbank account, you will notice that there is a distinction between affiliates and vendors. To become a vendor, you simply apply for an account, upload your product, and pay the one-time approval fee of $49.95. That is, if your product is approved, only then you will pay this. But this is just for your first product. If you submit more products, the fee will be $29.95 for each additional product. And then as a vendor or product owner, for every sale, I believe clickbank gets 7% from the sale amount plus fees. So that's how affiliate marketing works with clickbank. In summary, we have a vendor who is the product owner, an affiliate who promotes the offer, and clickbank is the network that makes the relationship between vendors and affiliates run smoothly. So, how to sign up for a clickbank account? This part is simple and I will show you through their website. Go to clickbank.com and then here on the top menu you will see Create Account. Click on it. On this page, you will have to fill in your personal details such as your country, first name, last name, your address, your phone, and so on. The next step will involve your banking details. So you will have to insert your bank account details. This is for affiliate payments. And then the final step will be your account information. This will involve setting up your clickbank nickname and a password for your account. After you complete this, you will receive a confirmation email with a confirmation link. You will have to click it to confirm your account. And that's it. Now you understand the basics of affiliate marketing with ClickBank. In the next lesson, we are going to explore the ClickBank marketplace. I'll see you then.